Dream Destiny destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
Japan is a place where fast things and calm things live together. The Shinkansen, or bullet train, zooms across the country with perfect timing. It shows modern Japan, efficient, futuristic, and built with care. But just steps away, a tea house waits. Here, time slows down. The tea ceremony is slow and graceful, every move full of meaning. The bullet train and tea ceremony aren't opposites. They're two sides of Japan. Busy workers pause to enjoy cherry blossoms. Having both speed and calm is what makes Japan special. Japan's identity is built on being disciplined and orderly. From neat lines for trains to the quiet of a crowded subway, everyone shares a respect for harmony, called dawa. This way of thinking helps Japan's economy grow strong and gives it a good name around the world for quality and new ideas. The school system teaches responsibility early. Students clean classrooms and learn to work as a team. These values create workers who are known for being dedicated and paying close attention to details. People trust each other a lot, and there isn't much crime, even in the busiest cities. However, the pressure to fit in can be hard for those who are different. Sometimes, showing your own personality is less important than group harmony. Japan's precise rhythm is both a strength and a quiet source of stress. As the country deals with a more connected world, it keeps trying to balance old ways with new changes. The result is a society that works smoothly, but is always figuring out its own limits. Discipline and harmony are still at the heart of Japanese life. In Japan, the future feels real. The train system is amazing. Trains arrive exactly on time, moving millions of people very smoothly. Technology is everywhere, from smart robots in homes and hospitals to buildings that can stand up to earthquakes. Robots are not just for factories, they are friends, helpers for old people, and guides. This use of technology is both interesting and necessary, especially with many older people. Japan is very good at getting ready for disasters, with special building methods and early warning systems that save lives. Everyday life uses new ideas. Vending machines sell hot meals, and even toilets are high-tech. The idea of Kaizen, always making things better, leads to constant improvements, big and small. Technology is seen as a way to create order and make life better. From big systems to daily comforts, Japan creates solutions for every problem. Trying to make things perfect is a national trait. In Japan, even the smallest detail is a chance to invent something new. The future is always being built, one thoughtful improvement at a time. Japan faces a big problem with its population. It's getting old very fast. Towns are full of older people, while the number of workers gets smaller. Few babies being born and people living a long time have created a quiet problem. Young couples find it hard to start families because of high costs and balancing work and life. The government offers help and talks about letting more people from other countries in, but change is slow. Technology helps. Robots take care of older people, and machines do jobs that workers used to do. People miss a time when there were more people, and they worry about the future. Still, older people are respected, and communities adjust with strength. Volunteers and local groups help their older neighbors. Japan faces this change with determination, finding solutions for a very human problem. The story of the changing population is quiet, but it will shape the country for many years. Work is central in Japan, shaped by loyalty, precision, and teamwork. Lifelong jobs once built strong bonds between companies and workers. Finding meaning in work, Being good at something, helping society, matters as much as pay. But long hours and pressure can cause stress and burnout. Younger generations want more balance and flexibility. Companies are slowly changing, focusing on healthier workplaces. The future of work in Japan is being rewritten, one step at a time. Japan's culture has a big influence, much bigger than its size. Anime and manga have captured people all over the world, inspiring artists and storytellers everywhere. Japanese design ideas, simple, natural materials, harmony, influence buildings all over the world. Famous architects mix old traditions with new ideas, pushing creative limits. Japanese food, recognized by UNESCO, is known for using seasonal ingredients and being artistic. Sushi, ramen, and izakayas are now common foods worldwide, and ingredients like miso and matcha are loved everywhere. Japan takes ideas from other countries, changes them, and makes them uniquely its own. This back and forth is seen in fashion, music, and even food, like Japanese curry. Being able to share and remake its culture keeps Japan lively and important. Its creative spirit ensures it will always have a place in global conversations. Japan's culture is always changing, mixing local and global ideas. It's a country that inspires and is inspired by the world. Japan's economy is deeply connected to the world. Its industries provide important parts for everything from cell phones to airplanes. Problems in Japan affect the whole world, showing how important it is in making and sending goods. Japanese companies invest money all over the world, building factories and funding projects in other countries. Brands like Toyota and Sony are well-known names, creating jobs and shaping economies worldwide. Japan uses its economic power quietly, through talking with other countries and making long-term partnerships. It gives a lot of money to help other countries and is an important player in world discussions. Being stable and reliable describes how it deals with trade and investments. However, Japan faces problems, competition from other Asian countries, a shrinking market at home, and slow economic growth. The answer is new ideas, focusing on clean energy, AI, and life sciences. Japan uses its engineering skills to secure its future. Its global influence is both a history and a promise of continued importance. Living in Japan means living with the Earth's unpredictable nature. Earthquakes are a normal part of life, shaping how the country prepares and recovers. Children learn earthquake drills from a young age. Emergency kits are standard in homes. Advanced warning systems give precious seconds to react. This culture of being ready creates a feeling of control, even when things are uncertain. Japan is also very safe. Low crime rates and high trust among people are everyday realities. Lost wallets are returned and children travel alone with confidence. Vending machines, found everywhere, show how convenient and trustworthy things are. They offer everything from drinks to hot meals and are rarely damaged or broken. These details show a society built on responsibility and mutual respect. Being prepared and trusting others define daily life, quietly shaping the Japanese experience. Even when nature is unpredictable, life goes on with calm determination. Japan's ability to recover is as much about its culture as it is about its technology. Modern Japan is known for how it blends old traditions with new ideas. Old temples stand next to glass skyscrapers, with old ways and new progress existing together. People move smoothly between these worlds. Engineers practice archery, designers become experts in kimonos. The Japanese language itself mixes old kanji with modern writing, like a symbol of cultural blending. This balance isn't about choosing between the past and the future, but about weaving them together. Tradition provides roots, new ideas show the way forward. The bullet train and the tea ceremony are equally Japanese. This active balance is the country's strength. It allows fast progress without losing cultural history. As Japan faces new challenges, its ability to bring opposites together will shape its future. The world is invited to look closer at this quiet, complex identity. In Japan, speed and calm, old and new, are never far apart. The harmony of opposites is the heart of the Japanese story.
Have you ever felt a place call to you, like a half-remembered dream? For me, that place is Japan. It's more than a country. It's a feeling, a gentle whisper promising something extraordinary. The scent of cherry blossoms, the sound of a distant temple bell, the quiet bow of a stranger. Japan invites you in with grace. Here, every detail matters, from the way a meal is presented to the rhythm of daily life. It's a land where ancient traditions and futuristic wonders exist side by side. Samurai legends meet neon-lit city streets. Zen gardens meet bustling markets. Japan is a harmony of contrasts, a place where the past and future dance together. Even before you arrive, Japan lives in your imagination. Red torii gates, Mount Fuji, Tokyo's glowing nights. The real magic? Discovering that reality is even more enchanting than the dream. This is the promise of Japan, a journey that changes you, leaving memories that feel like poetry. Tokyo feels like tomorrow. Dazzling lights, endless energy, and a pulse you can feel. At Shibuya Crossing, thousands move in perfect sync beneath neon skies, yet there's a surprising calm. The city's electric heartbeat is thrilling but never overwhelming. Traveling by Shinkansen, the bullet train, is like gliding through time, speed, silence, and precision. Outside your window, green fields and cityscapes blur by in a seamless journey. Even in the busiest cities, you'll find hidden shrines and peaceful parks tucked between skyscrapers. This balance of excitement and serenity is what makes Japanese cities unique. Clean, safe, and easy to navigate, they're designed for people and community. Strangers are helpful, streets are spotless, and there's a sense of shared respect. Japan's cities aren't just concrete, they're living, breathing spaces, as welcoming as they are vibrant. Here, the future feels human. While Japan races ahead, it treasures its past. Ancient traditions aren't relics, they're woven into daily life. Step into a Kyoto temple, the scent of incense, the crunch of gravel, centuries of peace. The tea ceremony, or sado, is a quiet ritual, every movement intentional, every moment meaningful. These customs connect people to their history and community, grounding them in a fast-changing world. You'll see prayers at shrines, families in kimonos, and geisha gliding through old streets. Tradition gives Japan its timeless soul, visible in gardens, rooftops, and greetings. As a guest, you feel the depth of a culture that honors its story. These echoes of grace shape Japan's unique character. In Japan, nature is sacred. Every mountain, river, and tree has a spirit. Shinto beliefs inspire harmony with the land, reflected in gardens and architecture. The changing seasons are celebrated. Cherry blossoms in spring, fiery maples in autumn, hanami parties under sakura trees, maple leaf hunting in fall. Each tradition honors fleeting beauty. In Nara, deer bow for treats. In Nagano, snow monkeys soak in hot springs. Magical moments of coexistence. From snowy Hokkaido to Okinawa's beaches, Japan's landscapes are breathtaking and diverse. Nature shapes art, poetry, and philosophy, inviting you to slow down and connect. Walking through a bamboo forest, you feel the quiet power of the natural world. Here, you begin to understand the true soul of Japan. Why do so many fall in love with Japan? It's not just what you see, but what you feel. The safety of a midnight stroll, the kindness of a stranger, the joy of perfect sushi. These moments linger. The spirit of omotenashi, wholehearted hospitality, makes you feel like an honored guest. From taxi drivers in white gloves to beautifully wrapped gifts, hospitality is everywhere. And the food, every meal is a celebration. Ramen in a tiny shop, elegant kaiseki dinners, flavors that stay with you. Japan teaches you to find beauty in details, to value quiet moments and kindness. The country leaves a gentle imprint on your soul, calling you back. It's a dream you live, and one you'll want to return to. Japan isn't just a destination. It becomes a part of you. So, would you like to visit Japan?
Thank you for traveling with Dream Destiny Destinations. Subscribe, and let the next adventure begin. See you in the next journey.